Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I am going to make this. Okay. I'm going to show you the new update. This is my new account. The Friendship Festival has come with a surprise. The sunken ship, the Ocean Den, is now available for all jammers. Now every jammer can have both island and a land and ocean den. Have you seen all the Ocean Den items that are now for all jammers? Head to Sunken Treasures in Canyon Cove to pick up yours today. Did you know you can experience the new Welcome to Jamaa from the bottom of my settings? It's different now, but I experienced the old one. The Friendship Festival is here. You go to the foreign friendship parties and checking out all the friendship party parties and checking out all the friendship items that are for sale throughout Jamaa. How are you celebrating the Friendship Festival? Well, I hang out with my friends and everything. And, I just play Animal Jam. Do you want to share your love of Animal Jam with your friends and classmates? Visit this tables around your classmates or friends also. Tables around Jamaa to print cool AG Valentines that come with a special gem code. Celebrate Safer Internet Day on February 11 by taking the online safety quiz in the Conservation Museum in the Chamber of Knowledge. Have you heard the great news, jammers? Eagles, the graceful and majestic birds, will soon be soaring through the skies of Jamaa. Introducing Animal Jam Academy, the new place where you can learn all about the world around you. Whether you like fun activities, cool worksheets, or neat videos, there is always something to discover at Animal Jam Academy. Just visit academy.animaljam.com or click on the picture at the left. Yeah, I got a one. Let's look at science. Oh my gosh, these are really scientific. Bye bye.